So hello everyone. In this video we will talk about A5G stock and the key levels to watch September 15, 2025. In last trading session the stock formed a bearish candle, dropped 5.16%, closing at $53.07. The first key resistance level is $57.48. If the price breaks above $57.48, it could test $64.65. The key support level is $50.57. If the price if the price goes below $50.57, it could go lower. That's my view on FIG stock today. If you found this helpful, please subscribe for more updates. This video is for education only, not financial advice. Always do your own research before investing. Thanks for watching.